Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to cook delicious Kabuli Chana. To begin, you will need to prepare your dried chickpeas by soaking them thoroughly overnight, for at least 8 to 12 hours. This initial step is absolutely crucial for achieving even cooking and also significantly improves digestibility. Remember to rinse the chickpeas very well before soaking and change the water at least once during this period. This careful preparation ensures they are perfectly ready for the next important stage of cooking. After soaking, drain the chickpeas and transfer them to a pressure cooker. Add fresh water, ensuring it covers the chickpeas by about 1.5 to 2 inches. You might also add a pinch of baking soda, which helps tenderize them further. Cook on high pressure for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. Allow the pressure to release naturally before opening the cooker, leaving you with perfectly tender chickpeas. Now, let's create the aromatic base for our chana. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, allowing them to splutter. Then, add 1 finely chopped large onion and sauté until it turns golden brown and softens beautifully. Stir in 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and cook for another minute. This foundation will infuse your dish with incredible depth of flavor. Next, carefully add the cooked and drained Kabuli Chana to your prepared onion and spice base. Stir everything together gently, ensuring the chickpeas are well coated with the fragrant masala. Incorporate half a cup of water, or more if you prefer a saucier consistency, and bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Cover the pan and let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes, allowing all the wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.